are very proud to be in a short list for the Responsible Whale Watch Award. It's a result of our effort and the things that we have made so far now here in Madeira. Ventura Nature Emotions is a small company, a family company. We start more or less 13 years, since 2000, and our main goal is to give to all tourists and to all our guests that came in our trips, in our boats, to give the best experience in wildlife. We are specialized in whales, dolphins, seabirds, and it's like a kind of a result of the background of the knowledge that we have. We have 3 marine biologists in our family. This company starts with the older generation of sailors here in Madeira to give this experience of sailing. Then we appear and try to do this more close to the nature and more close to the animals, and we are already training new generations. So for us it's very important to bring these tourists in our trips and to explain and to understand and give something that they never forget. So it's important to know the animals, to have a better understanding and a better behavior with them. One of our goals is to have a balance between the economic benefits of this activity, but also give something for the future. That's why we work with nature guides that are specialized in different areas, in bird watching, whale watching, and mainly we work with small groups, giving all the information about the activities.
Yeah, we grew up here in Madeira, and this is our garden, our sea, and we respect it a lot. So we try to give to every passenger on board, became our friend, and we try to pass them a message. We try to give them an educational lesson. We want them to learn more about our garden, our seas. So we have to keep that in mind all the time, respecting the animals, and if we explain that to the passengers, they understand us, and the benefit will come as a result, as a consequence, only that. And so we want to give to everyone coming with us an unforgettable day, unforgettable experience. That's what they will keep in mind, bear in mind. And I think that's all.
So you don't forget, if you every time you pass in Madeira and do a trip with us, you can be sure that you're going to be in a small group, a family group. You're going to be part of a family. You're going to learn a lot about the wildlife, whales, dolphins, seabirds, and you'll never forget.